The U0401 diagnostic trouble code indicates invalid data received from ECM or PCM, which stands for Engine Control Module or Powertrain Control Module. This code means that one or more control modules in your vehicle are receiving corrupted, incomplete, or invalid data from the primary engine control unit. Modern vehicles use a controller area network, or CAN bus, where multiple electronic control units communicate with each other through high-speed and low-speed networks. The ECU or PCM acts as the central hub, coordinating communication between various vehicle systems like transmission, ABS, air conditioning, and suspension. Vehicles manufactured after 2020 feature significantly more electronic control units and sensors, making communication networks more complex and U0401 codes more prevalent. U0401 codes can be traced to three main categories of problems. Let's examine each category in detail. First, communication network issues include CAN bus wiring problems, faulty termination resistors, and electromagnetic interference that disrupts data transmission. Second, module-related problems involve ECM or PCM internal failures, corrupted software or firmware, and power supply issues affecting the control modules. Third, data integrity issues include message timing violations, checksum errors, and protocol violations that corrupt the data being transmitted between modules. When any of these issues occur, the result is corrupted or invalid data flowing through the vehicle's communication network, triggering the U0401 diagnostic trouble code. Troubleshooting U0401 codes requires a systematic four-phase approach. Phase 1 is initial assessment, where we verify the code presence and gather critical information. Phase 2 focuses on network testing. We measure CAN bus voltages, which should be 2.5 volts nominal, and verify termination resistance at 60 ohms total. Modern diagnostic tools provide real-time monitoring of CAN bus communications. This oscilloscope reading shows the CAN high and CAN low signals, with their voltage difference indicating proper network operation. Phase 3 involves testing individual module responses, verifying data parameters, and analyzing message timing to identify communication breakdowns. Phase 4 implements solutions based on diagnostic findings. Common fixes include CAN bus wiring repairs, module replacement, and software updates. Always consult manufacturer-specific technical service bulletins. Ford, GM, and Stellantis regularly update their diagnostic procedures and provide targeted solutions for U0401 codes. Following this systematic approach yields an 87% resolution rate for U0401 codes. Proper diagnostic procedures and manufacturer-specific guidelines are key to successful troubleshooting.